The Nokia X500 5G is an ultra-premium smartphone that pushes the boundaries of modern mobile technology, designed for users who demand top-tier performance, cutting-edge features, and uncompromising reliability. It features a stunning 144Hz QHD plus Super AMOLED display that delivers incredibly fluid visuals and rich, vibrant colors, making everything from gaming to streaming an immersive experience. Whether you're scrolling through social media or engaging in high-speed multiplayer gameplay, the ultra-high refresh rate ensures unparalleled smoothness and responsiveness. Under the hood, the Nokia X500 5G is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, a flagship-level chipset engineered for extreme performance, AI acceleration, and efficient power management. Paired with an astounding 32 GB of RAM, this phone effortlessly handles intensive multitasking, gaming, and productivity applications without breaking a sweat. With a colossal 2 TB of internal storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your apps, media files, or high-resolution content. It's a true digital vault in your pocket. Photography enthusiasts will be blown away by the X500's revolutionary 400MP main camera, which pushes the boundaries of mobile imaging to new extremes. Whether capturing stunning landscapes, detailed portraits, or crisp low-light shots, the camera system is built to deliver professional-grade quality. This powerful sensor is backed by advanced image processing algorithms that ensure every shot is sharp, vibrant, and filled with lifelike detail. To keep all this power running smoothly, the Nokia X500 5G is equipped with a massive 8,500 mAh battery, one of the largest in any smartphone to date. This ensures exceptional longevity, allowing users to go well beyond a full day of heavy usage without needing a recharge. And when it's time to power up, the phone supports blazing fast 120W charging, capable of delivering hours of use in just a few minutes of charging. With its futuristic specifications, elegant design, and forward-thinking features, the Nokia X500 5G isn't just a smartphone, it's a statement of what next-generation mobile technology can achieve. It's a device built for those who refuse to compromise and expect nothing less than the absolute best from their tech.